Today we're going to uncover what poor people don't know about making money and how this knowledge can help you change your financial future. This video is packed with valuable insights that can shift your mindset and actions toward financial success. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. By subscribing, you're not just supporting this channel, you're also ensuring you won't miss any crucial strategies and tips that could potentially unlock your financial freedom. We've got a lot of powerful insights lined up, so let's get started. The first thing many poor people don't realize is that wealth begins in the mind. It's easy to believe that wealth comes down to working harder or having a better paying job, but in reality, the key is how you think about money. The mindset of scarcity, believing there's not enough to go around or that wealth is out of reach, can prevent people from ever achieving financial success. Wealthy people think differently. They operate with an abundance mindset. They believe that money can be created, multiplied, and managed to work for them. Poor people, on the other hand, tend to view money as something that comes and goes, and that life's opportunities are limited. This scarcity mindset leads to risk avoidance, fear of failure, and staying stuck in a cycle of just getting by. To shift from poverty to wealth, the first step is changing your mindset. Start by adopting a belief in abundance. Understand that opportunities to earn money are everywhere if you're open to seeing them. Wealthy people look for ways to create value, knowing that money follows value. By shifting your focus from fear to opportunity, you open yourself up to wealth-building possibilities. Another thing many people don't realize is that traditional education doesn't teach you how to create wealth. We go through years of schooling, learning about algebra, literature, and history, but rarely are we taught about personal finance, investments, or how to start a business. This lack of financial education leaves most people unprepared to manage money or grow wealth effectively. Wealthy people don't rely solely on what they learned in school. They seek out financial education through books, courses, mentors, and life experiences. They understand that managing money and making it work for them requires knowledge and skills beyond the basics. They learn about investing, saving strategies, real estate, entrepreneurship, and how to turn their money into more money. Poor people often miss out on the importance of financial education. If you want to stop struggling financially, make it a priority to learn about money. Invest in your financial literacy. Read books on investing, attend workshops, and seek out mentors who have successfully built wealth. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your financial future. One of the most important things that poor people don't fully understand is the power of compound interest and early investing. Many believe that they need to have a large sum of money before they can start investing. As a result, they delay putting money into investments, believing it's something they'll do later. But wealthy people understand that time is one of the most important factors in building wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest allows your money to earn more money over time, creating a snowball effect that can turn even small, consistent investments into a significant fortune. Every year you wait is an opportunity lost. Wealthy people know that the key to growing money is to start early, even if you don't have a lot to invest. Poor people often delay investing because they think they need more money or better circumstances. But the truth is, the sooner you start, the better. Time is one of the most valuable assets in building wealth, so don't wait. Start investing now, even in small amounts. One of the biggest misconceptions that poor people have is the idea that one source of income is enough. Most people rely on a single income stream, usually a job, to cover all their expenses and build wealth. But this is risky and limiting because if you lose that one source of income, you're in trouble. Wealthy people, on the other hand, understand the importance of diversifying their income streams. They don't rely on just one source of money. They have multiple streams, whether it's through investments, side businesses, real estate, or royalties from intellectual property. These additional income streams create financial security and allow their wealth to grow exponentially. Don't rely solely on your job to build wealth. Wealthy people spread their earnings across multiple streams of income, which helps them build wealth faster and reduce financial risk. Look for ways to diversify your income, whether through side hustles, investments, or other opportunities that can create passive income. Fear of failure and risk is another big reason why poor people stay poor. Many avoid taking risks altogether, whether it's starting a business, investing in the stock market, or pursuing a new opportunity. This fear stems from a scarcity mindset where the thought of losing money is too overwhelming to consider. Wealthy people understand that taking risks is a necessary part of building wealth. They don't shy away from risk, but they also don't take reckless risks. Instead, they take calculated risks. They assess the potential for reward versus the risk of loss and make informed decisions based on that. They know that without taking risks, there can be no reward. Poor people often let fear keep them from making financial moves that could improve their situation. To build wealth, you need to take calculated risks. Educate yourself, plan ahead, and make informed decisions. The most successful people in the world didn't get there by playing it safe. They took risks and learned from their failures. Debt is another area where poor people and wealthy people think differently. Poor people often see debt as something negative, something that traps them financially. And in many cases, they're right. Bad debt, like credit cards or payday loans, can keep people stuck in a cycle of repayment without building any real wealth. But wealthy people know how to use debt to their advantage. They understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is debt that is used to buy assets, things like real estate, investments, or business opportunities that will generate income over time. Bad debt is used to buy liabilities, things like cars, clothes, or vacations that lose value and don't create income. Poor people often accumulate bad debt, which drains their resources and keeps them financially stuck. Wealthy people use good debt to buy assets that generate income and increase their wealth over time. If you want to build wealth, focus on using debt to acquire things that will make you money, not cost you money. One of the hardest lessons for many people to learn is the power of delayed gratification. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with the temptation to spend, whether it's on the latest gadgets, clothes, or experiences, it's easy to give in to instant gratification. But this mindset often leads to financial difficulties in the long run. Wealthy people understand that delaying gratification now can lead to greater rewards later. Instead of spending money on things that provide short-term pleasure, they invest their money, knowing that it will grow and provide even greater opportunities in the future. This doesn't mean they never enjoy life. It just means they prioritize long-term financial security over short-term spending. Poor people often choose instant gratification, spending money on things that provide immediate pleasure but have no lasting value. Wealthy people delay gratification, investing their money for long-term gains. Learning to wait and invest for the future is one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies you can adopt. Another thing poor people don't know about making money is the power of networking. Who you know can be just as important as what you know. Wealthy people build strong networks of like-minded individuals who can open doors to new opportunities, offer advice, and provide valuable resources. Networking isn't about using people. It's about creating mutually beneficial relationships. Wealthy people surround themselves with others who are also focused on success, and they share ideas, collaborate, and support each other's growth. Don't underestimate the importance of your network. Surround yourself with people who have similar goals and who can help you on your journey to building wealth. Your connections can provide you with new opportunities, support, and guidance along the way. Finally, one of the most important things that poor people don't know about making money is the importance of taking action. Knowledge is powerful, but it's useless without action. Many people get stuck in analysis paralysis, overthinking their financial decisions and waiting for the perfect time to start. Wealthy people take action. They don't wait for the perfect time or ideal conditions to start building wealth. They just start. They understand that progress is made through consistent effort, learning from mistakes, and adjusting along the way. The key to building wealth isn't waiting until everything is perfect. It's about taking small, consistent steps every day. If you want to build wealth, you have to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or hesitate out of fear of making mistakes. Start today, even if it's just a small step toward your financial goals. Wealth is built through consistent action, learning, and growth. Now that you understand what poor people don't know about making money, it's time to take this knowledge and put it into action. Start by changing your mindset, investing in your financial education, and taking consistent steps toward building multiple streams of income. Remember, the road to financial success isn't easy, but with the right approach, it's possible for anyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and strategies that can help you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.